Marco and Marley. They're getting their chew on. Just got off work hanging with the pups. The wife just left, so I'm at home with the pups. What's up, Marley? What are you doing? Hanging out, huh? Hey, Marco. Are you going to get the other bone, huh, boy? Hey, Marley. Mm. Marco, are you going to get yours? How you going to take... Hell, Marley, give you one of those bones. Huh? Ew, 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 ew. Crawling over me. She's going to a spot on the corner of the couch. Marco down here chilling. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, good girlie. Give him that call. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that camera on my face. Marco, what are you doing down here? Y'all take care. Oh, just got off from work. Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy.